Soil is a fundamental thing to build a green space, and in this video we will see how you can make a potting soil mix at home for free. And you can grow almost all plants in this mixture, so keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. First of all, let's know what a good potting soil means. If a soil mix is well draining, a little bit loose and fertile, then it's considered as a good potting mix. Obviously, every plant have different soil requirements. Some likes a very moist medium, while some likes dry. Some likes fertile, while some plants likes a very fertile medium to grow. But overall, a well draining, a little bit loose and fertile potting soil can be a good start for most plants. Using this potting soil provides several benefits like less waterlogging issues, better root growth due to looseness, better aeration, the green growth due to its fertility, and it's totally free, no need to buy any ingredient. To make this potting mix, you need a few ingredients. You can find them everywhere in the world, just gather them one by one. The first ingredient in this potting mix is the sand. You can use construction sand or river sand, whatever is available. But don't use the sea sand, it's salty and not good for plants. Sand is helpful to make our mixture loose and well draining. It also dries out quickly, and sand doesn't get hard with time like ordinary soil mix. The next ingredient in this homemade potting mix is the brick soil. The bricks used in construction made from clay soil are good. You can crush them into powdered form. They are great in terms of water retention, better drainage, and it doesn't compact with time. So subscribe to our channel for more videos. Another ingredient in this mixture is the garden soil. The importance of simple soil can't be denied. It's full of microbes, helpful bacteria, and trace elements that are the basic needs of a plant. So soil is important, but the safe way to use garden soil is to dry it in full sun. The dried garden soil is free from all type of germs. Now you can use this in your soil preparation. Another ingredient in this mixture is the compost that you can make at home using the waste of your kitchen. All the vegetable peels are a source of nutrients. You just have to turn them into compost. Green peels are high in nitrogen. Potato peels, banana peels have potassium. Eggshells have calcium, dried leaves have carbon along with the trace elements. Simply follow the description box video to know all about compost making. Here we have all the ingredients in given amounts, mix them well, and our homemade free potting soil is ready to use. Now the question is, can we grow all plants in this potting soil? So the answer is simple. Every plant have different needs. You definitely need to customize your mixture a little bit more. But this mixture is a perfect start. You can grow all the tree-natured plants in this mixture. They will grow very well. It can be used for permanent flowering plants, seasonal vegetables, and don't use it for heavy feeders, sensitive house plants, cacti and succulents. For cacti and succulents, use this soil recipe. Video on this is added in the description box. So it's all about free potting soil recipe. For learning in depth about different soil mixes, follow these videos and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.